Welcome to the Business Acceleration Network, where we believe in the power of entrepreneurship and the limitless potential of driven individuals like yourself. Our mission is simple: to support and empower entrepreneurs on their journey towards accelerated business growth and success. At the Business Acceleration Network, we provide a comprehensive ecosystem of resources, programs, targeted support, and connections designed specifically for entrepreneurs who are ready to take their business to the next level. We are a business accelerator, which means that no matter what your next stage is, you're getting the growth and results you want to see at an accelerated rate. We understand that entrepreneurship can be a challenging journey filled with ups and downs. That's why we're here to offer you the blueprint for your acceleration, along with the support and guidance you need to navigate those challenges and achieve remarkable results. Through our network of thought leaders, industry experts, and successful entrepreneurs, you'll gain access to invaluable knowledge from people who have walked through all paths of business, from startups to IPO. They openly share insights and strategies that will fuel your business growth. Our diverse range of programs cater to entrepreneurs at every stage of their journey, from educational workshops and masterclasses to personalized coaching and networking events. We provide the tools and opportunities to help you thrive. But it's not just about gaining knowledge and connections. The Business Acceleration Network is a community, a family of like-minded individuals who are driven by the same passion for success. Here you'll find support, encouragement, and inspiration from fellow entrepreneurs who understand the unique challenges and triumphs of the entrepreneurial path. Our commitment to your success goes beyond just providing resources. We're here to celebrate your achievements, guide you through obstacles, and create a nurturing environment where you can grow both personally and professionally. Join us in the Business Acceleration Network and unlock your true potential. Together, we'll accelerate your business growth, fuel your entrepreneurial spirit, and make a lasting impact in your industry. Are you ready to join a community that supports your dreams and amplifies your success? Visit our website and become a part of the Business Acceleration Network today. Together, let's soar to new heights.